beginning of creation, God made them male and female. For this reason, a man shall leave his father and mother and be joined to his wife. The two shall become one flesh. So they are no longer two, but one flesh. Therefore, what God has joined together, no human being must separate. The Gospel of the Lord.
Some days I wake up and I just want you all around me.
Today I'm going to marry my best friend and my soulmate, and I'm very excited. I can't wait. Can't wait to see you, Jen. It's almost here. We've planned so much for this and looking forward to this day for so long. And I love you and I can't wait to see you, and I know we're gonna have the best day together.
Jen, I realize that you are not only my sister, but you are also my best friend. Someone I could confide in and get advice from. You really did find your perfect match, your soulmate, a travel partner, and fellow Yankee lover. I'm so happy to have you both in my life, and I'm so happy you guys found each other. Let's all raise our glasses to the bride and groom and wish them a lifetime of love and happiness.
May the Lord bless you and keep you. May the Lord shine the light of the divine countenance on you and be gracious to you. May the Lord look on you with kindness.
As long as I've known Jen and as long as she's been with Brian, she's genuinely taken the time to get to know each of our cousins and seriously took interest in everybody and knowing what's going on in their lives. So for that and a million other reasons, Chris and I and everyone else are just so happy to have Jen part of our family, and it's a sister that we never had in our lives. So.
Now let's raise a glass and offer a toast to Jen and Brian. A lifetime of memories and many more milestones to come.